Yo, what's going on? Welcome to another video. Have you shared, liked, and subscribed to this channel yet? If not, go and do that before we get into this video. Welcome back to the video, guys. Hopefully you've shared, liked, and subscribed. If you haven't, please do so. Show some love and support. Today's video is amazing. Little car, an Abarth 595 1.4 turbo injected. Yes, turbo injected. 157 brake horsepower. An absolute beastly little car. Okay, customers recently bought this and it's quite badly rusted underneath, so he's rust treated it. Exhaust is blowing, so instead of replacing it for like, he's decided to go for a stainless steel. Great choice, my man, great choice. Let us know what you think. It sounds absolutely amazing. Yes, amazing little car, punching well above his weight. Okay, was very surprised with the way how it sounded.
Another happy customer.